Welcome to this video. The topic for today's immigration broadcast is British citizen application denial over non-tax payment. British citizen application denial over non-tax payment. I'm sure you know that when you apply for to be naturalized as a British citizen, the Home Office will check your record in this country. There are certain criteria that you must meet before you're British citizen, or so to say, the naturalization application is granted. That is, if you live in this country for 5 years after your indefinite leave ILR, you can apply for, in most cases, not all cases, some people, so it is dependent on the kind of visa that you got. Some people, it's 3 years, but majority of immigrants in the United Kingdom, you have to stay for 5 years before being granted the ILR. And then after your ILR, indefinite leave to remain, you can apply to be naturalized as a British citizen. One of the criteria that the Home Office will search on your record is good character. You must satisfy what we call the good character requirement. What is the meaning of good character requirement? The British Nationality Act 1981 does not provide a definitive answer to that question of good character. Therefore, each applicant must be considered individually according to your scenario. If you've gotten an unspent criminal conviction, that is, if you've been taken to court in this country and you're convicted, you may be denied your naturalization application. If you got a criminal, I repeat again, if you got a criminal conviction in United Kingdom, you may be denied your naturalization application because that way you did not satisfy the good character requirement. What is the good character requirement? The Home Office apply what we call a balance of probability test. And if you got a numerous criminal record, the Home Office will weigh everything and they are on spec. You are likely to be refused for your British nationality application. So what is the relevant balance of probability test? And it means an applicant will therefore want to based on the information you disclose to the Home Office, they will check whether it is viable to grant you the naturalization application success. Generally, the following key areas will be assessed on a balance of probability basis, that is, your criminality, your international crimes that you have committed in the past or presently, and if you are on the list of terrorism watchdog. Yes, if you are on the list of terrorism watchdog, and if you are partaking in other non-conducive activities. What do we mean by non-conducive activity? It means you are partaking in activities that is not conducive to the peace of United Kingdom, i.e. you partake in riots a lot, you are a known person, you violate community rules. You know, it ranges. If you have such record, you may be refused your naturalization application. If you are not financially sound, if you got CCJ, that is County Court judgment against debts that you did not pay rent, and your landlord takes you to court, you may be penalized and not be granted the naturalization application that you made to the UK Home Office. If you are notoriety, that is, they know you for being notorious in the United Kingdom, your application may be refused. If you have immigration-related offenses, if you did not pay your tax, if you did not pay your tax, if you have some serious motoring offenses, that is, you are driving, i.e. you don't have insurance, your naturalization application may be denied. And the one we are concentrating on today is if you did not pay your tax regularly in the United Kingdom, your application may be refused. If you did not pay your tax regularly in the United Kingdom, come and see us. Our telephone number is being displayed. Call us if you want to. Don't make your naturalization application on your own. We can help you. We can apply for you. We can give you some guidance and make the full application for you, and we can represent you from the beginning to the end. If you've been refused, we can advocate for you to the Naturalization Department of the Home Office. We can represent you fully. So the key challenge if you don't pay your tax regularly is that tax questions may be raised by the Home Office against you. If you are having such problem, come and see us. If you didn't pay your tax, it means that your financial integrity in the United Kingdom is in question. And if your financial integrity is in question in the United Kingdom, you may face an uphill struggle to get your naturalization application granted. So we can mitigate for you. Don't apply all alone. There's loads of DIYs in this country. Don't do that. Come and see go and see a lawyer, any lawyer. Better still, come and see us. Our telephone number is displayed on the screen, but I must tell you, you will pay a consultation fee if you want to see us. Whoever you are, you may be my brother, or you are calling from abroad. If you're calling from abroad, be prepared to send us a consultation fee via Western Union or some sort of payment, or you may get your relative to pay us. In United Kingdom, I'm an immigration solicitor. I'm also an international barrister as well. We can represent you in any immigration matter. If you want to bring your relatives from overseas to the United Kingdom, we can help you. Call us. My telephone number is displaying on the screen. So we can carefully prepare your application and submit a full application, professional application to the Home Office, and the Home Office will grant you the naturalization application that you made. Then with the naturalization certificate, you can use it to apply for the British passport. Yes, when you are granted the naturalization, the Home Office will issue you a certificate. You will then include the certificate in the British passport application, and then you will receive your British passport in the post. The British passport has a lot of benefits. Let me quickly chip this in that you have visa-free entries into over 150 countries all over the world. The countries in which you may require visa are Africa and some odd countries, but Apart from that, you don't need a visa to go to Australia. You don't need a visa to go on a visit to Canada. You don't need a visa to go to Spain. So the British passport is particularly very powerful. But the first step is you need to apply for your indefinite leave to remain first. That is after 5 years you've been in this country. And then after the indefinite leave to remain, you will then be able to make an application for naturalization. If you know that you haven't been paying your tax regularly in this country, if you know that you hold some debt, if you know that you have a criminal record, come and see us. We will properly diagnose your case, but you need to pay a consultation fee first. The consultation fee is non-negotiable. There are no amount of begging that we have a lot of people calling us these days and begging, and you need to pay a consultation fee. There is no two-way about it. If you know you can't pay, please don't call us. I will see you in our next video. Send this video to your friends, relatives, folks.